Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best cutting board in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Altexo Good Grips 2-Piece Plastic Cutting Board Set, Pack of Own Clear. 1 7.25 in x 10.75 in prep board and 1 9 in x 12.9 in everyday board. Double-sided, non-porous surfaces resist odors and won't dull knife blades. Soft, tapered edges form comfortable handles for carrying. The smaller prep board is perfect for trimming vegetables, while the everyday board is ideal for making meals. Both are dishwasher safe. Integrated drip catchers and easy pour corners minimize messes. Non-slip feet keep boards in place while chopping and slicing. Durable and dishwasher safe. Number 4. J. Adams 20-inch by 14-inch Maple Wood Pro Classic Cutting Board. A professional quality board from J.K. Adams without bells or whistles. Simple, clean, functional, and a full 1-inch thick. J.K. Adams has been the leader in producing fine quality wood products for over 60 years in its Dorset, Vermont factory. Using the best wood in New England as a commitment to outstanding product quality, they selectively harvest hardwoods from replenished and managed forests. We had a hard time picking our favorite J.K. Adams cutting board out of the 7 we tested. Overall, they were our top wooden boards in terms of design, portability, and ease of cleaning. We love that this Pro Classic 2.0 Maple Kitchen Prep Board has a slot for your phone or tablet for easy reference while cooking. Number 3. Epicurean Gourmet Series Cutting Board with Juice Groove, 14.5-inch by 11.25-inch, natural/slate. Epicurean makes composite cutting boards that look and feel like wood but are thin, durable, and can be washed like plastic. They come in a wide assortment of shapes and sizes. Our top pick is the Gourmet Series Cutting Board due to its size and versatility. At 14.5 x 11.25, it's big enough to carve a whole chicken or roast with a wide well to catch the juices on one side, but thin and light enough to toss in the sink or dishwasher for easy cleanup. It can also be flipped for an even larger cutting surface that doesn't feature the juice groove. We liked how flat and sturdy it laid on the counter, even with a wet paper towel placed beneath it. These cutting boards have become a go-to item in the kitchen appliances lab. Number 2. Totally Bamboo 3-Piece Bamboo Wood Cutting Board Set, 3 assorted sizes. Like maple, walnut, and cherry wood, bamboo is dense and good at keeping water and juices out. It makes a good material for cutting boards because it's lightweight and can be cleaned easily. If allowed to fully dry after washing, it requires little maintenance, although oiling bamboo every so often helps prevent cracking. This 3-piece set has stood the test of home use for years. The smallest size is good for quick prep work, while the biggest one is good for larger tasks. The middle is a good catch-all for everyday tasks like chopping carrots and onions. In our tests, we liked that the boards felt sturdy and didn't move around when a wet paper towel was placed beneath them. We also liked the various sizes and built-in handle for portability. Sometimes the boards warped, but quickly reshaped after a quick wash and proper dry. Number 1. Joseph Chop 2 Pot Cutting Board, Small, Green. Sometimes cute, small things seem too good to be true, but this foldable cutting board is an exception. The sides fold up so you can transfer chopped ingredients to the pot without spilling. It's perfect for small tasks or cutting in batches. It moved around a little during our tests, but we liked the textured cutting surface and its innovative design. It was also very easy to clean and is dishwasher safe. After years of use, this cutting board is still in rotation in the kitchen appliances lab. It makes a great prep board and is easy to carry to the table for eating from. It is not stained and doesn't show signs of wear. Chop 2 Pot is Joseph's original award-winning folding cutting board. Laid flat, it provides a durable, knife-friendly cutting surface for all types of food preparation.